With Copley opening this semester, there are several new processes that have been put in place for your safety and the safety of staff. For example, when showing up to Copley, it is important to stop at the front desk where they will make sure you have completed your USD COVID screening and will ask for your check-in code. You can receive a check-in code by visiting Copley's website, choosing a study area and time that you would like to book. If you forget to do this before showing up, there's a code you can scan to do so in person. Once you're checked in, staff will make sure you are able to find your study area and will remind you to follow COVID guidelines before you head to your booked spot. Some of these guidelines include always wearing a face mask, no eating or drinking in the library, and maintaining social distancing. Once you're done studying, make sure to pack up your belongings and head to the checkout desk to check out. You can also do this online. Alright, so a quick review. First, you want to make a reservation, which can be done online or in person at the front desk. 2, you want to visit a USD COVID-19 screening station, which are available in various places on campus. 3, check in at the front desk for your first reservation of the day. Any other reservations that day can be done online. 4, during your time at Copley, make sure that you're following the COVID guidelines. And 5, make sure that you check out no more than 15 minutes after your booking, which can be done online or at the front desk.